che lasso tangi record chigi lasso o lasso akoso online retreat la you can sure AI edi alle lasso akoso tuji che ni Nicole la tashi dele kirande boyimbe
Pasiriligen la na dopa in tuchiche ni shirang.
mayang depo yin kiranki nangmi changma depo repe
Ne nang mitso dopa in tuchiche.
lasso 아니, 야, 다 딜로로낭.
Drongsep.
종셉 랍나 가레레.
Drongsep. Drongsep labna city.
시티 마레,
Town.
시티 마레.
Dronkier city. Drongsep province village.
레레, 빌리지. 종셉, 빌리지.
Drongsep.
야, 아니, keranki 딜라 식룹스로낭. 어? 내가 센텐스.
Ne
어?
ne kampa drongsep ki chilmola yore.
왜하고? 예 강바,
Kilmola.
예 강바 종셉 기말라 요레스. That's it. You want to make your own sentence?
Ne kampa drokier lajore.
That's it. 종케르라 요레. Very good. 빼하고 숨송 도지치 아니 데 딜로로나 디 가레레
Hagoma song. Kilma.
길마라 in the middle
Kilma.
okay
In the middle. In the center, yes?
yes in the middle or
Kilma.
in the center so before we learn nangla shilokla gangla okla now we have here kilma la 하고 숨아
Is it the same root like Chilkor mandala? No?
that's it same spelling kilkor
Ah,
that's it
Chilma.
And core is the wheel, right? Same spelling. How can I core, right? Kill core. That kilmala hagosma in the middle, right?
Hagasong.
Ni kiranki kilmala siktup seronan.
Ne kampe data ne kampe kilmala degyo.
Nga, right? Tata nga
Na.
kangpe kimala de gears. Peago. Hola so. Peago sum tujiche Nicolela.
Kuchichegala.
Hola so please here new word. How goes nga? Trongsep village Kilmala. Tidwa Kilmala in the middle, right? Laso teneya Wangchungchungla in the Wangchungchungla. Wangchungchungla tashidelek ni
Restlegila.
kranki nangmitso deborepe.
Ngai nami cho changma debo in.
Depo yin or you can say depo dekyang yin.
Oh, debo
Hago
dekyang.
like enthusiastic, very fine. Right? Depo dekyang yin spell. Teneya dilorona.
Yar yong la, ye yong la,
Spell ye yun la.
ye
Right?
yun la.
Spell. So ye yun la is like around, left, right. Right? So if you break down the word, ye is right, yun is left. But when you put them together, it just means around. Right? Nearby or around. Yeyun la. But why we put la here together? Because it's direction. Kilma la. Yeyun la. 하고서 Tene 왕충충 la. 계란기 직접 수록나. Make sentence.
음, ngai kangbi yeyong la gongba mangbo yuere.
그래고 니 강배 예윤 라. 곤파 망보 유레. 그래고. 아니 계란기 레콩기 예윤 라. 사캉 망보 유레베.
Nge le kong ki yeyong la sakang mangbo yue
사캉 망보 유레. That's it. 빼하고 숭숭 왕충줄라 투지치
tujiche.
라소 데네야
Again
다랄라인.
la. Again
Yes,
la.
yes, 라소.
Okay, so you only recall me. What Wang Chunchun said, he said something like that his workplace is not near, or the Gonpa is not near his workplace, isn't it?
말해.
Mm.
He said two sentences. First
Yeah,
sentence, there are a lot of gompa.
near his house,
Ngi kangpe yeyun
around his
gompa
house.
mangpo
Yeah.
yore.
Yeah.
Then
And the second,
kerang ki lekung ki yeyun la, office ki yeyun la,
yeah.
kang restaurant mangpo yore pe.
Okay, restaurant. Okay. Sorry, Henpa, I misunderstood. Okay, do you say? Yeah.
That's all. Then ya dilotang. Can you read this?
Ma tha chiu when duk dun dun la
That's it. Very good. Dun la. We have new
dun
word here. Ma tha shabkyu du na dun la, right? Tarala, you did well, Lasso.
dun la
Dun la,
so te do you say dun la? Yeah, dun la means
in front.
in front.
Dun la. Right? Ni dun
River.
la, laptop, yuri. That's it.
Yeah, nge dun la laptop yore. Yes. Okay.
My in front laptop is.
Mm-hmm.
Ni dun la, laptop, yuri. Tarala, you can make any sentence using dun la.
Okay. Nghe đun là TV yope.
TV, yores.
Yore, yeah, TV yore.
Pewa. Nge dun la, TV, yores.
And nghe đun là laptop yore.
Pewa. Nge dun la, laptop, yores. Nge dun la, TV, yores. Or you can say, nge kangpe dun la. Ruba.
Nghe khang pe đun là, okay. Nghe khang pe đun là, okay. Nghe khang pe đun là
Tuk.
nghe nghe khang pe đun là. Okay, let me see what is in front of my house. Another house, my neighbor.
Nge kangpe dun la, kangpa, yore. That's it.
Okay. Nghe khang pe đun là khang pa yure. Yes, correct. And how in front of my house is another house. Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Tarala tujichi. Lasso.
Tujuche.
Lasso. Teneya nimala in. Tashi delek nimala.
다시 들려.
Tashi delek nimala. Ani tata. 우르술라 추천 가주래.
타타 우르술라 추초 둠삼 요래.
추천 듬파 쌈래. 듬파 쌈.
추초 둠파 참 요래.
요래 말에 레. 하고서 identifying. 타타.
타타 우르술라 추초 둠파 참 레.
That's it. 배워 송송. 타타 카트만두라 추천 게당 체가 레. half 체가. 게당 체가 레. 좋아? 응? 빼고. 나 인다야 딜로로낭.
그래. 아, 둥라 빵 단신동 요래.
빵 가르레.
빵 랍나 미도 요래.
전도
미도.
가르레. 전도 가르레.
어? 빵 랍나 신 신 요래.
싱 말해.
신래.
싱 말해. 빵 랍나 쯔싱레. You can say plant. 알바? 쯔싱. 빵.
떼신. 떼신래.
빵. We have new word here. Grassland. 하고 있으나 빵. 응? 알바? Where there is a grass growing. We
그래.
say 빵. 하고 있으나. If it's a
하고서.
grass ground, 빵탕. Before we learned zetang as a playground, if you remember. What? Zetang. So here, pang. If you add tang, grass ground. What? Grass field. What? Pang tang. Just pang.
빵땅.
하고 있으나 빵 빼고. 되니 싱동 하고 있으나 a single tree you can say 싱동 하고 있으나 싱동. 샤키구 싱아 싱 사타다다 나로도 nga dong. 와. 니 니말라 속율라 빵탕 싱동 망보 예르베.
소귤라 빵 망포 요래. 이내 신동 망포메.
빼고. Very good sentence. 와. 속율라 빵 망보 예르. 이나양 싱동 망보 예마레. 와. 빼고. 하고 있으면 싱동. 와. And there are a lot of
신동 망포
trees.
요래. 망포 요 말해.
Remember, if there is lot of trees together, forest we call shingnak. How goes on? Shingnak.
신낙. 예.
Shingnak
신낙.
forest. Remember, shingdong. Ani shingdong chik. Remember. And if there is some tree, then you can say shingdong kashi. Remember. That's all. 투지체 니말라 빼하고 숭숭. 그봐? 오케이 되니 마일라 다시 데렉 마일라.
Denzil, how do you spell
Dele.
cache? How do you spell cache?
Yes. Sorry?
Sorry, so before you moved on, sorry to interrupt, but how do you spell cache?
Kashe. Yes. We will come to here. I will show this.
Okay.
This we have here. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
카샤사시 카시. That's it. 그봐? 되니 마일라 딜오르나.
Yechotla.
빼하고. 예촉라 하고숭에 마일라.
Hakomaso.
Ye chokla. Ye right chok side la. Right side la.
Right.
Ye
Right
chokla.
side.
Sometimes you can say right side. Sometimes you just say right. So it depends. You can also say ye la. Or you can also say ye chokla. That's it. 네야, 마일라, 계란기 강배 예촉라 가르여래.
Ge camperero la 캄파요레.
네. 니 강배 예촉라 강바요레. 예, 불러서. 하고 중아 예촉라 we have here. Okay? Then
오케이.
opposite of 예촉라 we have here. 윤촉라. 봐봐.
윤초라.
윤촉라.
윤초라.
니 강배 예촉라 람까 요레. Road. We know lamka. 람. 니 강배 예촉라 람 요레. 니 강배 윤촉라 강바 요레. 봐봐. Like this. 예촉라 윤촉라. 하고 있나? 아니
하고서.
마일라 계란키 강배 윤촉라 양 강바 요르베.
게 캄페 윤초라 양 캄파요레.
That's it. 니 강배 윤촉라 양 강바 요르. That means 계란 종케르라 되기 요베.
오케이.
종케르. Opposite of village.
게 통케라도 city. Yes.
예, 종케르라 되기. 나 종케르라 되기. right? For village, we already did that. 종셉. right? Here. 종셉.
게 동셉라 도기 마레.
되기 means. 예, 종케르라.
도기메.
right? 빼고. 그 종케르 하고 송아.
하고서.
아이라 두지체 빼야고 송송. 라서.
도지체.
드네야 아니
Tenzin when we say Yechokla, can we use and Yunchokla, can we use lock? Yelokla, Yunlokla. Is it correct?
very
We
good
use lock
question.
instead
But
of chok.
no.
No.
This lock is only for inside and outside. Nanglok la, chilok la. That's it. That's it. Peyago song song tujiche. Yeah, McGregor la in the McGregor la tashidelek.
다시 딜레이 텐즈나.
Kerangki nangmitso deporepe.
nga depore yina yang nge amalak depo me
Depo minduk. Ruba.
depo minduk.
Laso hako song keo mare. Ani digire. Ruba. Matsu sangme kerangki amala kyokpo. Chagyaki Malam kyokki yin. Hako songa.
하쿠송.
Laso. Ini McGregor la kerangki dilogro na.
카셰.
Kashe hako songa. Ya, ni sikdik serok na.
Sigtrip means sentence.
Vere.
Gomde ki ye yunla shing nak kashe no shing kashe gomde ki what's gomde ki ye yunla shing kashe yure
Shing mare, shing dong.
kashe la
Shing
Shingdong.
dong. Okay.
Shingdong. What's Shingdong? Oh,
Tree.
forest.
Tree. Shingdong,
Oh, in single street. Okay.
Shingdong tree, Shingnak forest. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I wanted to say Shingnak, and then I realized I couldn't say Kashe if
Huh?
I said Shingnak. Can I try again?
Yes, please.
Gomde ki ye yunla Shingdong Kashe yure. Kashe la yure.
Not Kashela,
No.
Kashe.
Yeah. Yeah, almost.
Lasso. Tade gomdeki yeyun la shingdong kashe yure. That's it. Peyago song song. Tuji che
What is kashe?
some.
Some. S-O-M-E.
That's it.
Okay. Tuji
So then we have here. Let's read this sentence. Ruba. Yeah. Ni yanala yin trashidele yanala.
Silly.
Trashidele yanala dilorona.
Ye kangwanye sakang gama sakanga gamachik chokuje.
Peyago losong. Ni kangpa ne sakang la karma chik drogere. Today we're gonna learn this sentence, how to build up this sentence. Agosma, hola so ni yanala kerang ki kangpa ne sakang la karma katsu drogere.
Gamakatsu chokuje.
No, kerang ki kangpa ne Starbucks la karma katsu drogere.
Starbucks. Die mojachi gama chuk chenga yeyun yore.
Karma chunga drogere.
Gama jik yore.
Karma chik drogere.
Jogure, gama jik jogure.
Hola. So today we're gonna learn this. We will break down this sentence. Nge kangpa ne. Nge kangpa ne. We know ne from. From where? From nge kangpa. From my house. Nge kangpa ne sakang la. To restaurant. Sakang la. Starbucks la. Anywhere. Gonpa la. Nge kangpa ne sakang la karma chik 1 minute drogere need to go drogere here is the new ending here bere need to go 1 minute to restaurant from my house nge kangpa ne gonpa la karma chu drogere
Bene Dunkin' Donuts. She yuna yore.
La yanala karisungbai
Ye kangba yuna Dunkin' Donuts yore.
alle Dunkin' Donuts yuris. Rasla. Hakosong, raso. Nye kangpe, nye yun la, nearby la, around la, Dunkin' Donuts yuris. rồi bây giờ cũng xong xong thu chi chế yana rồi now we have here new sentence nghe khang pa ne sakhang la karma chik drogere rồi yeah let's try McGregor la in the McGregor la next sentence rồi McGregor
With make sentence with what?
From from New Zealand to Scotland.
Okay. New Zealand ne Scotland la Chutsu Mangpo Drugere.
That's it. New Zealand ne Scotland la Chutsu Mangpo Drogere. Rồi, bây giờ có xong xong. Hola so. Chỉ chế. Nó có xong là số tên này ya. Maila in the Maila. Maila in the. Kiranki nang ne lekung la karma khatsu drogere.
게 캄페 네
Kangpa.
캄파네 레카
Lekung. Lekung. Office.
레콘라 카르마 우슈
Karma nishu drogere. That's it.
타르마 가추 도고레
Ale, karma nga. Ale, 50.
멘코르 멘코르 도고레
Mekor nang. In.
멘코르낭
Very good. You made it longer. Nge khangpa ne lekung la karma nga chu. Mekor nang drogere.
멘코르낭 도고레
Before we are only mentioning how many minutes. Now Myla has mentioned transportation also. Mekor nang. In train. Motor nang. In car. Bakpa gang. On motorbike. Rồi. Là số thu chi chế. Mai là bây giờ có sung song.
도지체
Là số. Thu chi chế.
So Tenzin la.
Yes, please.
So you wouldn't say nekor ki nang.
That's true. That's a proper way. Mekor kin nang.
Okay, so nekor nang, is that the shortened informal way?
That's it. Gen Z.
Okay. Gen Z. Okay. Thank you.
Là số. Tade mekor kin nang. That's it.
Tenzin la.
Yes.
What is the hour? I forgot the word for hour.
Chutsu. Chutsu.
Chu. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Chutsu. 하고 있나?
And how do you spell nekor?
Mekor, fire wheel, which means train, Mekor. Kankor, we learn Kankor in A0, cycle, bicycle. Mekor.
What is Mekor? Sorry, what is Mekor?
Train.
Train. Okay, train. Oh, what a contrast, Kankur and then Mekor. Okay, nowhere near.
Lasso.
Tenzin la. Tenzin
Yes.
you said mekor nang la,
That's
but pak gang la.
That's it.
Mekor nang la, but pak gang la. Right?
That's true. Because we don't sit inside the bike, we sit on the bike. Hmm? But we sit inside the train, inside the car, inside aeroplane.
Mm-hmm.
So we know inside Nangla, on Gangla. We already know these things. Hmm? Bakbak Gangla. Hmm? So, da. Nekor. So, Nea, Nicolela, Dilorona.
Петхак не поре.
Pe tak Niepore. Pe tak Niepore.
Петхак не поре.
Hakosma.
Thak is distance, nepo very close, not far. But pe
Very.
tank. Pero yana thak pe не поре. Why pe in front of thak?
Yes, that's also okay.
Uh,
Tak pe Niepore. Or pe tak Niepore. That's it. But pe tak Niepore, I can see it's more beautiful. So, pe tak Niepore. Close distance. Very close distance. Pe, very, tak, distance. Niepo, close. Pe, tak, niepo re. Raba? Nye nang ne, sakang la, pe, tak, niepo re. Raba? Nekole la, sikdo sero na, pe, tak, niepo.
ne kan pe ne linkala pe thak ne pore.
Kang pa, ne, pe, marwa. Nye,
Ne
kang
kan pane linka la pe thak ne pore.
that's it. Pe, pe, agusum sum, tujiche. Then we have
Tujiche.
Yina Yang as a but. We already know this, right? So we have here Mulkang, new word. Mulkang, bank, where we put money. How goes Mulkang, money house. Mul, money. Kang, house. Money house, bank. Mulkang. How goes Holas. Mulkang. Then we have here Toksam, little bit. Okay? Toksam, little bit. Raba? Toksam, little bit. Tak ringpo, opposite of tak nyepo. How goes nga? Tak nyepo ki, opposite tak ringpo. Raba? Because they both are new word, so I put them different color here. Toksam, tak ringpo, little bit far. If you just say tak ringpo, far. How goes nga? Nge nang ne, lumbini la, pe tak ringpo re. Very far. Nge nang ne, lumbini la, pe tak ringpo re. Antarctica ne, Antarctica ne, 아니, 야카르라, 빼탁 림보게. Very far, 빼탁. 봐봐. That's it. Now, 똑삼 탁 림보, little bit far. 하고 있으나? That's all. Yeah, 왕충충라 try chetan. Yeah. 똑삼 탁 림보. 직접 쓰던.
또, nghe, nghe không ba nè, 배유 là tục xăm thác rìm bồ lệ.
That's it. nghe 강반네. for 일본네.
bê,
어?
일본 nè, 배유 là bê thác rìm bồ lệ.
That's it. 일본의 배유라 빼탁 림보래. Like this. 빼하고 숨통 두지치. Then we have here 빼즈 bookstore library. 그러봐. 빼즈 강 library full form. 하고 빼즈 강. 빼즈 강.
So Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
is pidzu another word for tep?
No. 즈 means literal means store, storage.
Okay. So what's pay?
This book here. Okay.
Oh, so pay is another word for tep.
Yes. You know pecha. Pecha.
Oh yeah.
That's same spelling. Pecha. 하고
Okay.
That's it. So peju 강 library. peju 강. 봐봐. Or you can just say peju. That's also okay. Then we have here one adjective. 가, 짜, 나, 짱, 마, 짱마. Clean. 하고 Then if you just add 빼, 짱마. Very clean. 봐봐. My internet is unstable, so but it's working good enough. That's all. Yeah, then we have here koryuk. Maybe we learned this already before, but let's do again. koryuk. Environment. 하고 koryuk. 교육기 koryuk. Or Tongsep village. Tongsep ki koryuk. 빼 짱마 here. Very clean here. Tongsep ki koryuk. 빼 짱마 here. 봐봐.
What does sangma mean?
Clean. Clean.
Oh, you just said that. Sorry.
No problem. So we just learned few new words, few directions. 아고스가 기말라, 예윤라, 둔라, 예촉라, 윤촉라. Some. Then most important, we learned this sentence today. Nge kangpa sakangla karmachik dogore. 아고스가 nge kangpa sakangla karmachik dogore. That's it. 아고스가 Holas. Now let's practice little bit. Yeah, Tharala inda. Tharala dilogrona. This sentence. Tarala, mute redu. Mute.
Hello. Yeah, I had to run now to get a pen. My pen ran out of the ink. Yes.
아니,
Yes.
딜로로나. Yeah, Tarala. This
Can
sentence.
you enlarge it? Can you enlarge it? Okay. Can you enlarge it some more? A little bit more. Okay. Uh, uh,
Take your time.
de pe khang pare.
꽤 말해. my.
That's why I said you have to enlarge it. It's very small on my screen, my laptop. I am not young chick, okay?
I think, yeah, this is the maximum zoom.
Huh?
I cannot make
Before
larger
you,
than this.
no, before it was bigger than this.
Really?
Yeah, before it was much bigger than this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nghe. No. De. De. No. Yeah. That's nga. Okay. Thing. Thing re. Hang pare.
D. Dhakiku D.
Di. Nghe. Hang pare.
That's it. D nge kangpare. That's it.
Because the dot, okay, you can hardly see the dot, okay. Di nghe khang pare, okay. Nghe khang pa, I just learned that word. Where did it go? Dong xếp.
That's it. Perfect.
Dong xếp khi khilma la yore.
Very good, Tharala. Very good.
A good guess. Good guess.
Tongsep ki kimala.
Yore.
Very good guess. Okay. If it's a guess, very good guess.
Okay, no. Half guess, half and half this thing try it out. Word by letter by letter. Okay.
But
Cannot read further. It's all blocked.
Yes. So this much is okay here.
Okay. Okay.
Di nge
Di
kapare.
nghe khang pa he. Okay. Nghe khang pa dong xếp kill ki kill ma la yore. Kill ma yore.
That's it.
Kill ma la yore. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nghe khang pa dong xếp. Dong xếp is what? Village, right? He kill ma. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Yes.
Di nge
Tenzin,
kapare. Yes, please.
why is the first sentence just Ray and the second sentence is Yure?
Yore. Yes.
Because first sentence is identifying. And the second sentence is direction. Existence. We're talking about existence, where it exists. It exists in the middle of village. Here. Dingi Kampare, you're talking about it's mine, my house.
My house, yes.
Very good question. Still, people confuse between identifying and existence. Totally different ending. Agosma. Now, di nge kangpa re. Nge kangpa Chongsep middle la, kima la, center la, yore. That's it. Pe agulo song. Tene ya Nicole la yin, Nicole la lorona.
Me kampe yeyon la kanpa mangpa yoro.
Pe agu. Nye kangpe ye yun la, nearby la, around la, hangpa mangpo yore.
Mangpo Yure. Many houses.
Nye kangpe ye yun la, kangpa mangpo yore. Pe agulo song, Nicole la. Tene di lorona.
Dun la bank tank shintonk yore.
That's it. Dun la, front la, pang tang, shingdong yore. Pang, grass tang, shingdong yore. Yes. Peago. Tuji che Nicole la, peago lo song.
Uchichi.
Yeah, tene McGregor la in da, yeah.
Yeah, just before I say that, can I ask about the grassland? Because when you said pang tang, I thought you were saying that tang means field. So grass plus field is pang tang.
That's it.
But there it sounded like Nikolai was saying tang means and.
Oh, you mean this one? This tongue is.
Yeah. What did that mean? Does that mean field or and?
No, that's and. So this is different. I didn't say pang tang. I said pang tang. Ta. Totally different category. Ha category. You see? Pang tang. Tang
Okay.
here. Usually ground. If you say tang, playground. Now you add pang tang, grass ground.
Okay.
That's it.
Microsoft.
That's all. Niya di loro nang di marwa di ruwa.
Chilokla metok mangpo yure.
Yeah.
Kangpe ye chokla cha chuchung chung chung chi yure.
That's it.
Oh, chu is 10.
Mari chu is water. We know this. Ruwa.
Oh, yeah. What does chung mean?
So chu chung chung, small water. So it could be a pond, could be a very small river. There is a small water. When you say small water, it it could be a small pond or a small river.
So is chung chung the opposite of chempo?
That's it. Chung chung we have here.
Okay.
Just
So
like
when they talk about the big
chung.
vehicle and chung chung, oh, okay.
Yes. So chu chung chung, small water. Ri chung chung, small mountain. Mm, Mi chung chung, small human.
And so when they talk about the big vehicle and the small vehicle in Buddhism, do they say chung or chung chung for the small?
That's true. Tek chung, tek chen. That's it. Tek is a method. Tek is actually yan means a boat. A boat is a metaphor for method to cross the river. So tek chen, bigger boat. Tek chung, a small boat. That's it. So first we go through small boat, then we can go in bigger boat. So they are not different. They are part of process. Both are. Agosma. First you go through Tekchung, then you become bigger, better, then Tekchen. So Tujiche, you are right. Same. But they also say Tekmen for smaller wheel. So that's different, Agosma. Tekmen. That's it. Payaguduk. Dade. Oh. Chilok la. Outside la. Metok mangpo yure. Power mangpo yure. Yeah? Hmm. Ni Kangpe ye chok la. Right side la. Chu. Chung chung. Now here, shik is ah. Is same as in English. A cat. A dog. A small water. Ruwa? Shik. Chu chung chung shik. Yure. A small water. Yure. That's it. Yeah, dine diloro nang McGregor la.
Chu Chu Nang Lokla Shik Sheyure.
Di
Oh no, sorry. Oh no, I was Chu Nang Lokla Nya Kasheyure.
That's it. Chu nanglok la. Inside water la. Chu nanglok la. Nya. Fish, river, we know this. Nya. Nya kashe yure. Some fish yure. Chu nanglok la. Nya kashe yure. New Zealand la. Pepa kashe yure. New York la. Pepa mangpo yure. Like this.
Sorry, what's the difference between Nan and Nanlo?
Same. Nang,
Same, okay.
nanglok, inside. Same. So whether you say in or inside la, so it's same.
Okay.
Agosma.
Thank you. Hago-san.
Hola, so that's it. Ini chu nanglok la nya kashe yudes. Ini ya nimala diloro na.
그래. 니 강파네 사강라 кармачик другöre. Pe tak nie pore.
That's it. Nge kangpa ne sakang la restaurant la karma chik. 1 minute dogure need to go. Very important. Look at this ending. Dogure. Agosma. Nge kangpa ne sakang la karma chik dogure. 1 minute dogure. Pe tak
니 강파네 사강라 кармачик другöre. Pe tak nie pore.
That's it. Very close, re. Reba. Pe tak nye pores.
Pe tak nie pore.
Pe aguloson tujiche. Tene wang chung chung la diloro nang. Wang chung chung
Sorry.
la.
인하양 물캉 독삼 탈링볼레.
Pe agu. Inayang. But ngulkang. Money house. Bank. Tok sam tak ring pore. Little bit far re. Agos na. Inayang ngulkang. Tok sam tak ring pore. Pe agu. tujiche pe aguloson wang chung chung la. Tene ya.
되지체.
Yana la diloro nang.
Huh?
Dine
Kabar?
loro.
That's it. 같이 중습 낭로라 배주강 양 요래 정습 기코유 배장마 요래
That's it.
배장마 가래
배짱마, very clean. Yuris.
배장마 요래
배야굴로송. ngantsui chongsep ki nanglok la, inside la. ngantsui village ki nanglok la. ngantsui chongsep ki nanglok la. Pentsui kang yang yure. Pentsui kang also yure. Right? chongsep ki koryuk. Village ki koryuk. Village ki environment. chongsep ki koryuk. 배 짱마 yure. Very clean yure. Right? That means chu zangma, clean water. Lung zangma, clean air. Sa zangma, clean soil. Right? Like this. Peo. Peo lo song, tujiche. We did very well.
Tenzin La, I have a question.
Yes, please.
In all this text, we see yore, yore, yore. But in one place, we said when we talk about Nulkhang, Nulkhang Toksan Tagrimpo Re.
That's it.
Tikire?
Yes.
Why you use Re here, but in other places you use Yore?
Because here we're talking about identifying. It's far means it is not showing location or direction. You simply identify it is far. It's pig, it's dog, it's cat, it's far. Same. Abodna. It's identifying. It's red, marpore. No, it's big, chempore. It's far, thagringpore. That's it. Abodna. That's good question.
So if you said it's far from New Zealand, would you then say Ure?
No. Still no.
Okay.
New Zealand thagringpore. That's it. So keep in mind, identifying prey. Okay? If you talking about existence, in existence we have few types of sentence. One, direction, on the, under the, middle, and like this. What? Outside, inside, or New Zealand la, Brazil la, what? Location. One, I have this, he has this, New Zealand has this, no, Korea has this. So this also ending in ure. That's it. We did very well. I will send this in the group chat. Today I will also send one recording that one of my colleague made recording on this. And please listen to it. She will read in the normal speed, not like me. Because I speak slower, Agosma, you have to also listen to a normal speed. So today I will send one recording. Take advantage, use it, listen to it. Agosma, Lasso, Tujiche
Is
Trash.
it recording of this text or other? Is it recording of this text?
This text. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This text recording. So you can look at the script and listen and go through the script. First, very fast. You feel like it goes very fast. Second time, it is slower. Agosna. That's it. First time it is fast. Second time slower. Lasso. Ni tuji che. Rashid Delek. That's it. Boom boom. That's it.
Ichegela.
ชื่อเดเล
เจ
ส
เจ
วัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับเจ
Dila
เจ
สวัสดี
Dilo.
ค่ะ
再见。
เวลาเย็นเร็วบายบาย